What's the most effective CPASS Facebook advertising strategy that you can build for your Facebook ads campaign? Now, if you're watching this video, chances are you have just gotten your CPASS access. Congratulations. Now, CPASS stands for Collaborative Platform Advertising Solutions, that is given to you by e-commerce marketplaces like Shopee, Lazada, that is allowing you to run Facebook advertising in an entirely different way, helping you to retarget your audiences in a more meaningful way, as well as allowing you to actually run different set of creative that you can reach out to your fresh audiences. Now, if this is the first time you watch my video, my name is Jason. I'm a Facebook certified professional and a Facebook preferred marketing partner. Over the years, since 2010, I've been helping brands navigating success on Facebook advertising. And I've actually learned with over 5,000 individuals from 27 countries to date. Now, today I want to share with you a very powerful Facebook advertising strategy using your CPASS collaborative ads to build different kind of Facebook advertising strategy and campaign that you can actually use to, at the first, definitely helping you to increase the advertising ROI, at the same time, helping you to reduce budget waste and allowing you to build a journey that can create different kind of digital branding for your brand moving forward. I'm just going to bring you into the flow chart over here. Now, basically, when you talk about my two-step funnel framework kind of advertising framework, we technically break our advertisements into two sets. Now, the set one over here on the left-hand side is what we call the tier one advertising, which is effectively, these are the advertisements that are going out to help you reach fresh audiences, to bring them into your funnel. Now, on the right-hand side here, we have tier two advertisement, which are all technically retargeting advertisement. But today, I want to share with you a different way of retargeting. The moment you have CPASS, like I mentioned just now, you're able to run Facebook ads in an entirely different way. Now, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Now, first thing first, I want you to quickly take a look at the tier one side of this. Now, basically, when we want to run a two-step funnel framework advertising using CPASS Access, we would definitely have one ads that is going to go out to reach fresh audiences. And we usually, if you have CPASS, we will usually build a product set that can allow you to actually group all the promoted products. Let's say, for example, if you want to run for 11/11, then you can actually have a set of products that is specifically for the 11/11 that is going out to entice and bring people into your framework before they can start considering and looking at your other products. So these are usually the best-selling products that we will actually use to bring people in. So when we build this general catalog, we're actually using this to for cold targeting advertisements. So we have a tier one, which is technically going out to find broad audiences. Now, when you have CPASS, then you have a different way of running ads, which is, we call it retargeting the past customers. Now, you see, it is 7 times a lot easier for you to sell to people who have bought from you before compared to complete strangers. Now, for this, when you have CPASS, our strategy is you're able to run a 180 days retargeting, which means anyone who actually bought from your store before up to 180 days counting from today, they will be able to be grouped together into a custom audience to actually see your advertisement. You just consider every month, if you have 11/11, 12/12, you use this as a, kind of like reminder, kind of like informative kind of advertisement to tell them about what's going on. Okay, so basically, we are able to group 180 days past customers, and we will exclude people who have recently purchased in the last 30 days. As you can see here on the right-hand side, right, this is where we actually apply for all the campaigns that we are seeing over here. So as long as you have purchased from my store in the last 30 days, even I'm running these recent campaigns, right, I don't want you to see it, because unless you're selling something that is faster moving, then probably yes, but technically this is something that we will apply in most of the ad sets that we're looking at, right? So tier one advertisement is going to bring people to the general catalog that you're promoting, let's say for 11/11, and from here you will get people to click and view any products and all this kind of thing, right? So within this catalog, there might be different products from different categories. So from here, what we're going to do here is we're going to split into different categories, meaning that, like, for example, if you see my tier one advertisement and you click on earrings, any of the earrings, for example, then I will send this earring catalog to actually retarget you for 3 days. As you can see at the bottom here, we actually do a day 1 to day 3 retargeting, which means today you see this ad, you click, you landed on the product and you don't buy. For the next 3 days, you'll be seeing the T2-1 or T2-2 or T2-3 advertisement, which is effectively based on the category of the product that you have visited. So if you come in and if you see the first ad and you click on necklace, then the necklace will follow you. And if you actually click on the ring, then the ring will follow you. But we only want to run this for 3 days because effectively, if within the first 3 days you've been seeing the same ad and you still don't feel like buying, then you'll be like, okay, I don't think this is right for you. Then what we can do next, if you have CPAS success, the beauty of it is you're able to run another tier 2 advertisement, which is what we want to look at here at the T2-4, which is effectively, you just imagine, if you come in, you see the first ad and you click on the ring, then you start seeing the ring catalog for day 1 to day 3. And you decided not to buy because you're not kind of interested. I can actually use either a general catalog or I can introduce the necklace catalog to you on day 4 to day 6. That's the most important thing that we want to look at over here. Day 4 to day 6, you start seeing the second retargeting advertisement. It could be coming from cross-category. It could be coming from, maybe I want to reintroduce another so-called product set, or even to reinforce the general product set that is actually currently running for promotion for this month. I can do anything I want. So when you are able to run this kind of advertisement, you're building a different kind of impression among your audiences. Just imagine, I come in, I see ring, but I've probably forgotten that you have got other products. But when you run another ad to come in and introduce more products and even cross-category to them, they will be like, wow, I didn't know that you have this thing. So you increase the opportunity of these people recognizing your brand and start buying from you. So that's something that we can do. And of course, if you're running for let's say the monthly campaign like 11/11 or 12/12, then we usually will have a final 2 days retargeting, which is let's say if we are running for 11/11 from the 1st of November until the 9th of November, we will run the first so-called phase 1 of the advertisement, where we will spend more money on the cold targeting. But when it comes to the second phase, which is on the 10 and 11 of November, we will actually pump in more money to run a reinforcing advertisement that is going out to target those people who have added to cart and whatnot in the last maybe 10 to 15 days, even to give them vouchers to get them to really buy. So this is actually the framework and the strategy that I have been applying, and even my students are applying on their Facebook ads campaign for the past many years. Is a proven one. Now, what I wanted to actually share with you here is, in case you want to learn how to build everything, I put together a course to actually let you watch, and step by step, everything I actually walk you through. For tier 1, how do we do? Tier 2, how do we do? Where we want to actually cross category retargeting, how do we actually build from step 1 to step, just step by step kind of walkthrough kind of thing for you to really follow. So this is a course. I've already put the link in the actually description below. All you need to do is just click over and sign up, and immediately you have full access to the whole course, and it's a lifetime access to the course that you can actually keep forever. Remember, it's a proven strategy. However, it takes a bit of practice. So all you need to do is to sign up, and you can actually keep watching it until you master the whole framework to actually run the whole thing, right? So if you like this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe, because I share a lot of Facebook advertising tips, whether it's for e-commerce and lead gen and all that. And I do this on a daily basis. So I hope you like the video, and I look forward to see you in the masterclass. Thank you.